For over 25 years, Prevest DenPro has been a global leader in dental healthcare, delivering innovation and trust to clinicians and patients worldwide. Under the visionary leadership of our Managing Director and Executive Director, Prevest DenPro has grown into a global force in dental care, driven by a commitment to excellence in every aspect of our operations.
For the last 25 years, we have been serving dental professionals worldwide with highest quality of dental materials.
We believe in operational efficiency, ensuring that every resource is used to deliver value for money.
Prevest DenPro has been a pioneer in dental healthcare for over 2 decades, blending trust with innovation to deliver cutting-edge solutions that enhance oral health. Our global presence extends to over 90 countries, winning the trust of dental professionals worldwide.
Our reach is global, but our dedication remains personal, bringing innovative solutions to dental professionals worldwide.
Innovation drives everything we do. Our world-class research center, recognized by the Ministry of Science and Technology, is at the forefront of advancing dental healthcare, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Innovation is an essential core value at the Prevest Research Institute. We continuously innovate so that you can have a better tomorrow.
At Prevest DenPro, quality is non-negotiable. Our certifications, including ISO 13485, CE, FDA, and MDR, affirm that our products meet the highest global standards for safety and performance. From receiving the Best Dental Manufacturer Award to our successful listing on the Bombay Stock Exchange, Prevest DenPro's journey is built on trust, innovation, and excellence. Everything starts with an idea. At Prevest DenPro, we are constantly innovating, transforming ideas into groundbreaking dental solutions. From pioneering dental biomaterials to advanced 3D printing technologies, we are reshaping the future of dentistry. Prevest DenPro's state-of-the-art R&D center, spanning over 16,000 square feet, is a hub for innovation. Led by top experts, this center has developed over 130 advanced products that cater to the evolving needs of dental professionals globally. We are committed to fostering the next generation of dentists, offering training opportunities to students, academicians, and professionals alike. Our collaboration with 18 leading academic institutes provides a platform for fresh ideas, promoting the future of dental innovation. Collaboration is at the core of our success. By working closely with leading universities and institutions, we are accelerating breakthroughs in dental care. Under the Orodox brand, Prevest DenPro offers a comprehensive range of oral care solutions designed to promote superior oral hygiene. From advanced toothpastes to clinical disinfectants, Orodox products meet the highest standards of safety and efficacy. Looking ahead, Prevest DenPro is committed to leading the global dental materials industry. By 2036, we aim to be the world's #1 provider of advanced dental solutions, empowering clinicians to deliver exceptional care and contribute to healthier lives worldwide. At Prevest DenPro, our impact goes beyond business. We actively support dental education, provide scholarships through our Prevest Spark initiative, and led community projects aimed at eradicating hunger, promoting healthcare, and empowering marginalized communities.
We are Prevest!